9 healthy plants that you need to have in your house. In recent years, the trend of incorporating plants into indoor spaces has gained significant traction, not just for aesthetic purposes, but also for their numerous health benefits. Indoor plants not only add a touch of greenery to your home, but also improve air quality, reduce stress, and promote overall well-being. So today, we're diving into the wonderful world of indoor gardening. If you're looking to bring a touch of nature into your home while also reaping the countless health benefits, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to introduce you to 9 incredibly healthy plants that not only add beauty to your space, but also purify the air and promote overall well-being. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a plant-filled video. So let's jump right in. Number 1. Spider plants. If you're one of those people who have more of a brown thumb than a green one, the spider plant is a great pick for you. It's a beautiful hanging plant that is perfect in every way. It's extremely adaptable to overwatering or underwatering. It can grow in low light, partial sunlight, or bright, indirect sunlight. Some varieties of this little gem actually produce more chlorophyll than most other houseplants, which means more oxygen. They also have a positive impact on air quality. There was even one study done which stated that the spider plant eliminated 95% of toxic agents from the air. Spider plants help remove harmful pollutants such as formaldehyde and benzene from the air. This is known as phytoremediation. Sources of formaldehyde in a home include construction materials and carpet. You can find benzene in furniture polish and laundry detergents. Consider adding 1 or 2 spider plants to your bedroom to help clear the air while you sleep. According to the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, the spider plant is non-toxic to dogs and cats. Number 2. Snake plant. Snake plants have a distinctive shapely and sharp leaf. They also help remove toxins from the air, making them another good choice for a houseplant for your sleeping area. Like the spider plant, the snake plant is easy to care for and requires little light. This plant releases oxygen into the air, and it also helps purify the air by removing 4 common household pollutants: formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene, and carbon monoxide. Caution for pet owners. Snake plants are toxic to dogs and cats if ingested. Number 3. Peace lily. With its dark foliage and white tubular flowers, the peace lily offers a dramatic focal point for any room, but it's also a hard worker when it comes to improving air quality. With a pretty floral scent, the peace lily helps absorb commonly found household pollutants such as ammonia and formaldehyde. In addition, the peace lily can help purify household air polluted by trichloroethylene and xylene. These pollutants occur in many household cleaners, glue, polishes, waxes, and construction material, and they may negatively impact your respiratory and immune system. Caution for pet owners. Peace lilies are toxic to dogs and cats if ingested. Number 4. Aloe Vera. Many people are familiar with aloe vera as a topical gel to put on sunburned skin. Although this succulent thrives in warm and hot climates and needs ample sunlight, aloe can be grown indoors if you have a space with a sunny window. Aloe vera stands out with its long, often chartreuse-colored, sword-like leaves. The gel inside the leaves can be applied topically for sunburns or skin irritations. Another use for aloe you might not have been aware of. It can also be taken internally to aid digestion and promote a healthy bowel movement. Aloe gel is beneficial for wound healing of any sort. This is thanks in part to aloe's action on collagen formation, which is a base protein of many various tissues. But take note, aloe vera leaves are poisonous if ingested. This goes for pets as well. Aloe vera is toxic to dogs, cats, and horses. Number 5. English ivy. English ivy might be one of the most rewarding plants to grow inside your home. It is a beautiful, fast-growing, bright light houseplant that looks great in a bedroom or living room. This plant prefers to have its soil a little drier than it does wet, which is desirable if you want a low-maintenance plant. As a huge bonus, the English ivy is pretty much a medical wonder. Herbalists use this plant to treat a variety of respiratory conditions like asthma, COPD, and bronchitis. It's known for its many healing properties, which include anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antiviral, and antiarthritic. English ivy is the perfect plant to enjoy for several years. Number 6. Boston Fern. If you battle constant humidity in your home, consider the good old-fashioned Boston fern. With its easy-to-recognize leaves and fan-shaped foliage, the Boston fern is a phytoremediation powerhouse as it absorbs harmful gases through its leaves and roots. Phytoremediation is the process by which green plants remove chemicals and pollutants from the air. By removing pollutants such as formaldehyde from the air, you reduce the harmful chemicals that you and your guests breathe in every day. This is another plant that does well indoors and out. Number 7. Pathas. Pathos, also known as devil's ivy, is a popular indoor plant that offers numerous health benefits. Firstly, it purifies indoor air by removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene, enhancing overall air quality and reducing the risk of respiratory issues. Pathos also adds humidity to the air, which can alleviate dry skin and respiratory discomfort. Moreover, caring for plants like Pathos promotes relaxation and stress reduction, contributing to improved mental well-being. Studies have shown that interaction with indoor plants can lower blood pressure, reduce fatigue, and enhance mood. Pathos is easy to maintain, making it accessible for individuals without a green thumb to enjoy these health benefits. Overall, incorporating Pathos into indoor spaces can create a healthier and more enjoyable environment for occupants. Number 8. Mint. Mint, a popular herb commonly grown indoors, offers numerous health benefits beyond its culinary uses. As an indoor plant, mint purifies the air by removing toxins and providing a refreshing aroma. In addition, simply brushing against its leaves releases essential oils that can alleviate stress and improve mood. Mint is also known for its digestive properties, aiding in the relief of indigestion, bloating, and nausea. Its menthol content acts as a natural decongestant, clearing respiratory passages and easing breathing. Moreover, mint leaves contain antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, boosting immunity and fighting off infections. Regular consumption of mint tea or incorporating fresh mint leaves into meals can promote healthy digestion, soothe headaches, and alleviate muscle pain. Number 9. Rubber plant. Rubber plants, known for their striking foliage and air-purifying properties, offer numerous health benefits when grown as indoor plants. Firstly, they enhance indoor air quality by absorbing harmful toxins like formaldehyde and carbon dioxide, thus promoting a healthier living environment. Additionally, their large, glossy leaves release moisture, helping to improve humidity levels, which can alleviate respiratory issues and dry skin. Rubber trees also act as natural stress reducers, contributing to a calmer and more relaxed atmosphere. Furthermore, nurturing and caring for indoor plants can provide a sense of purpose and accomplishment, fostering mental health and happiness. Thank you so much for joining me today on this green adventure. I hope you feel inspired to bring some of these amazing plants into your home. Remember, taking care of plants is not only rewarding, but also incredibly beneficial for your health and happiness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more plant-filled content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy gardening!